Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Axolotl. Today I will be showing you how to do catch cradles with this broom, and you can do it solo. So we're going to start by taking our thumb and pinky and putting them together, and then putting the string over. Then we should have this. We're going to pull it, and then we're going to pull it again, and then with our other hand, we're going to do thumb and pinky, and we're going to put it in here and go out. Then we're going to go back in, but we're going to collect the loops that are on the thumb and pinky. And then we're going to pull, and then you should have this. You're going to take your ring finger and put it through one. Then you're going to take your middle finger and put it through the middle one. Then you're going to take your pointer finger and put it to the last one. Then you're going to go back. And then there's a string right here. You can pull it, and there you have it. And the trick you can do is you can take it off your fingers, and then now you have like a keychain, and then you can pull it, and it will disappear. I hope you guys liked today's video. Make sure to like the video. Bye!